So today we are going to heal ourselves with a magical prayer named Ho'oponopono, the art of forgiveness. It's not only about reciting the four sentences that we use. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. But it's more about feeling every word and every bit of it in the deepest way. Because remember, until and unless you're not going to make peace with your past, you can never have the ability to keep your mind in control. You cannot live in the present moment or now if you are still living in your past memories. So let's start with the inner healing today. So now I will be taking my name and you take your name. Let's start. Keep your hand on your heart, close your eyes, and say it to yourselves. Tanya, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. Take your name. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. Once again, take your name. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. Take your name. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. I'm sorry for being so hard on you. I'm sorry for not understanding you. I'm sorry for always judging you from the point of view of what others think about you. I'm sorry for not actually taking the time and effort to be with you, to understand you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for underestimating you. I'm sorry for not believing in you. I'm sorry. I'm very, very sorry. Please forgive me. Please forgive me for not understanding how beautiful and incredible you are. Please forgive me for always blaming you for anything and everything bad or worst happening with you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Sanya. I'm sorry for not taking the responsibility to connect with you on a daily basis. I am sorry. I'm really sorry for making you feel like you never mattered. Please forgive me for never valuing you. Forgive me for always criticizing you. Forgive me for believing that you are the victim, and it's because of you that all the worst things happen in life. Forgive me, Sanya. Forgive me for leaving you in between and never understanding your feelings, your emotions. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for hurting you and letting you get hurt by what others say and think about you. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Let the tears flow. It's okay. These are your healing tears. Don't stop them. Let them flow today. Take your name and say it. Thank you. Thank you for always being there. Thank you for guiding me every time when I went wrong. Thank you, Sanya. Thank you so much for making me realize that I matter. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for supporting me in my hard times, for giving me the courage to stand up again whenever I fell. Thank you. Thank you for cherishing me when nobody was there for me. Thank you. Thank you for not giving on me. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for always being my cheerleader. Keep your hands on your heart and say it to yourself. Even if nobody cheered for me, thank you. Thank you. You were always there with me. Always. I love you. I love you and I love you so much. I love you for your sweet smile. I love you for the way you handle your life. I love you. I love you for the courage in you, for the daring that you have to face your fears and be the fighter. I love you. I love you completely for the person you are. I love you. I love you for the way you learn from your mistakes. I love you. I love you unconditionally. I love you very, very much. I love you. I love myself. I love myself. I forgive myself. I forgive myself. I love myself. I love myself. I forgive myself. I forgive myself. I thank myself. I thank myself. I accept myself. I accept myself. Take your name and say it to yourself. I'm here for you. I'm always there for you. just does not matter to me whether someone is there to love you or not, whether there is someone to understand you or not. But from now, I promise to be there with you always, to love you unconditionally. I accept you the way you are. I love you wholeheartedly. I love myself. I accept myself. I forgive myself. And now, hug yourself. Hug yourself like you hug a small baby in your hands. Hug yourself the way you want someone to hug you. And today, give yourself the love that you always aspire for, that you look for from outside. Hug yourself lovingly, tightly, and heal. Heal the baby in you, that little version of you. Pat yourself. Pat yourself like you want your loved ones to do for you. And say it to yourself, I'm proud of you. I'm absolutely proud of you. You're a fighter. Hug yourself tightly and let these tears roll down. Free yourself from the burden of your past memories today. Let the child in you heal it today. Let the child in you feel the love that it has always looked for. Remember, remember that child in you. आपका वो छोटा सा version when you were 5 years old or 7 years old or maybe 10 years old. Whatever picture comes in your mind, just look at it. Maybe the 15-year-old or the 18-year-old. Look at that little version of you. And go towards that little version of you. That little child who was maybe bullied in the school, or maybe the child who was upset because someone made fun out of you, laughed at you, and realize that those were so little silly things that simply does not matter today. Because now you are an intelligent and matured person. आज आप बहुत बड़े हो गए हैं. Go and hug that little child in you. Give him all that love. Look at that memory. See that memory, the moment when maybe this child's confidence was broken for the first time. उस मेमोरी को देखो, उस पल को देखो जब शायद आपके कॉन्फिडेंस को किसी ने पहली बार तोड़ दिया था। उस मेमोरी में जाओ जब शायद अकेलापन लगा था या बहुत ही बर्डनसम लग रहा था। शायद कुछ खो जाने का दुख हुआ था या कुछ ना कर पाने का अफसोस। रिमेंबर दैट मोमेंट। याद करो उस पल को और उस छोटे से अपने आप को अच्छे से गले लगाकर आज अच्छे से गले लगाकर आओ। उसके सर पर हाथ फेरो। अपने सर पर हाथ फेरेंगे जैसे कि उसके सर पर हाथ फेर रहे हो। अपने आप को आज हम पुचकारेंगे एक बच्चे की तरह, जैसे कि हम चाहते हैं कि कोई और करे हमारे लिए, जैसे कि शायद बचपन में मम्मा या पापा किया करते थे। प्यार से उसे अच्छी अच्छी बातें कहेंगे, वो सब बातें जो वो सुनना चाहता है। उसके सर पर हाथ रखते हुए फील करेंगे कि आप उसे हील कर रहे हैं। You are healing that part of you that was scarred. उस छोटे से खुद को बताएंगे आप that I love you। कहेंगे उससे, बोलिए I love you। I'm sorry। Please forgive me। I love you। I thank you। Keep hugging that part of you। I'm sorry। Please forgive me। I love you। I thank you। बहने देंगे इन टीयर्स को खुल के, जितना भी हो सके। रोकेंगे नहीं, बहने देंगे। अपने उस छोटे यू को आप शायद रियलाइज नहीं कर रहे थे, बट वो एनर्जी थी कहीं आपके अंदर जो हीलिंग का वेट कर रही थी। वो बात छोटी सी आज लग रही होगी आपको, पर उस वक्त वो बात बहुत बड़ी थी। उस बच्चे को गले लगा के आएंगे अच्छे से, टाइटली, और उसको हील करेंगे। आप में वो पावर है हीलिंग की। You can heal that child in you। Heal that child in you जिसे अकेलापन लगा था या फिर बर्डनसम लगा था या कुछ खो जाने का दुख हुआ था, कुछ ना पाने का अफसोस हुआ था। उस बच्चे को आप हील कर सकते हैं। कर रहे हो. Heal that child जिसका कॉन्फिडेंस ब्रेक हुआ था. Heal that child who felt hurt. Heal that child who did not feel loved. और उसे बताएंगे it was just a phase. It was just a phase. Do not attach any kind of meaning to it. Just look at that self of yours. Simply look at that. And do not add any meaning to that part of you. Hug that child in you and tell him, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. As you say this, you are healing the present self also. And you are healing that child in you also. So let's do it rigorously now. Keep looking at this younger part of you, the child in you, or maybe the teenager in you, and keep saying this with me. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. Hug yourself tightly and say it. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I thank you. Stay there. Stay there for some time. Let your body release these emotions that were stored in your body from so long. Stay there. You can stay there for as long as you want. And once you feel better, you can simply rub your palms and put them on your face and drink a whole glass of water once you are done. Let me know how you felt in the comment box below. Thank you.